everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share a homemade facial scrub with you. Now this facial scrub will exfoliate the skin, getting rid of dead skin cells on the skin, cleaning out those pores. It will also help to get rid of blackheads and whitehead, and it will get rid of the dead skin cells from your face, your neck and your décolleté, and leave your skin just looking bright, radiant and glowing. So if you're looking for a quick and easy facial scrub that's gonna get the job done and have your skin looking amazing in no time, follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you how to whip it up, and I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Today I'm going to be using some oatmeal, and oatmeal can soak up the excess oil on your skin. It can help to treat acne. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help to treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. Oatmeal also contain a compound called sapones, which are natural cleanser. They remove dirt and oil that clog the pores and exfoliate the skin. So what I'm going to be doing with the oatmeal, I'm going to coarsely chop the oatmeal in the blender. You do not need it to be a powder. It needs to be this coarse like I'm showing here. And now let's put this aside and move on to our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is brown sugar, another amazing ingredient for the skin. Brown sugar granule particles exfoliate your skin, clearing away dry and dead skin cells. This helps create a smoother skin and lead to a youthful glow. Brown sugar also has antibacterial properties and glycolic acid that keep the skin radiant and healthy. Now, if you do not have brown sugar, you can go ahead and you can choose to use some white sugar. You can even use some rice instead of the sugar in this recipe. What you're looking for is something with granules that can help to exfoliate the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar. Let's pour this in. And now I'm going to reach back for my oatmeal, and I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of the oatmeal and pour this in. Now once this is done, we're going to mix the 2 dry ingredients together, and we're going to mix well. An optional ingredient that you can add to the oatmeal and brown sugar, it's a little bit of a turmeric powder. Optional, however. So you want to completely mix the 2 together, mix well. And next we're going to reach for our liquid. Today I'm going to be using soy milk. However, you can go ahead and use your favorite milk or even some yogurt in this recipe. Soy milk contains vitamin A, which will help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It will also help to hydrate the skin. I'm using 4 teaspoons of the soy milk, and I'm pouring this in. And now I'm going to reach for my moisturizing ingredient, which is some grapeseed oil. For this recipe, you can go ahead and you can use any of your favorite oil in this. If you're looking for anti-aging oils, use oils such as rosehip oil, jojoba oil, and also some cacao oil. If you have dry skin, go ahead, use olive oil, coconut oil, or normal skin, oily skin, you can use a grapeseed oil. And now we are going to blend this together, and we are going to blend well. Now once this is done, let me reach for my container, and we're going to pour this in our container. Now guys, this can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. If when you're ready to use it, it is totally absorbed by the oatmeal, you can go ahead and add a little bit of an extra soy milk. And now let's go on the other side and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Now before you use this facial scrub, make sure to give it a stir, and I like to use my hands to apply this facial scrub. That's the best method. So you want to be generous with the scrub, and you want to apply this to clean skin for best result. So just scoop an amount up and apply it on your face. Now this facial scrub, do not let it get in your eyes because of the granules. So exfoliate your face, focusing on the areas where you tend to have more blackheads and whiteheads, such as your nose and your cheeks. And if you have a lot of forehead wrinkles, focus on your forehead. Now keep exfoliating your skin in circular motion, and you're going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now there's another benefit that you can get from this facial scrub, and that is to get rid of your dark neck. So don't be afraid to take this facial scrub on the neck and décolleté, exfoliating the neck, removing the dead skin cells from your neck. So keep exfoliating, and once you're done, you're going to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. After you rinse off, pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. Now this can be stored in your refrigerator for up to about 7 days. If when you're ready to use it, it's a little dry, go ahead and add a little bit more of the soy milk. Use this 2 to 3 times per week for best result. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and your comments are always important. And if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. If you want to get a notification as soon as I upload the video, then click the little bell at the side and turn on post notification in your phone, and you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.